Hi, so here I am again as a real person, looking not so great today. I haven't been feeling too well. But I prepared this presentation to hopefully provide some information to others out there about how to properly file motions pro se with the court by me. And an example of more of Travis Skinner's repeated stupidity and abuse of the court system and bonehead things he does in an attempt to retaliate against me and harass me while playing the victim. Okay? So my first slide here, this is the front page of the motion that I wrote it myself. You compose your attached motion and exhibits in proper court specifications. You mail 2 copies and a self-addressed stamped envelope to the court clerk's office so they can return a file stamped copy to you. And you also include what's going to be on my next slide here. And then you also mail a 3rd copy to the petitioner via certified mail. So this is the cover sheet here. I've removed my information or whited it out, whatever, and hers as well for privacy. This is basically just a cover sheet that you put on top of it that asks the court clerk to do what you're asking. And then this is a certificate of service stating that you served it by mail to the petitioner or respondent, whatever the motion may be about, okay? So in this case, I'm the respondent because she filed a petition for ex parte fuller protection against me that's totally frivolous, and they improperly served me, and it's just completely dumb and a waste of time. So I filed this with the court myself, asked them to quash the service and dismiss the entire thing because it's nonsense, and I attached exhibits of other things too that I'm not going to show because it's not important to the process here. Okay, and then so what will happen is you'll get this. This is the proof showing that it was delivered to her. Okay, and if you can see on CaseNet, today they put my correspondence was filed. Correspondence filed by respondent Amanda Hodges, motion to dismiss. They'll put it on CaseNet. They'll file it for you if you do it properly. And then on to my next one here. This is not a legal service of an ex parte petition under Missouri Revised Statute Chapter 455. This is the work of an uneducated and entitled idiot named Travis Skinner, who believed he could serve me with his own denied ex parte via signature mail to the wrong address. Travis, that's not an illegal service, okay? It's improper. It does not follow court procedures. It is not lawful. So I returned this to the sender and put wrong address on it because it has the wrong address on it as well. So nice try, Travis, but you need to educate yourself, buddy, and stop playing video games, okay? Thank you. I hope this is good information for somebody out there.